Welcome to Crypto World, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at Equation, really cool project. So let's get right into it. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research for every investment you make. All right, looking here at the website, let's start off easy and simple. The next generation of decentralized perpetual exchange. Up to 200% leverage, no sign up or deposit required. 200 times leverage. Just imagine the volume you can put into. Obviously, it's risky, but the outcome could be very rewarding. We have a total trading volume already of $408 million. We have an open interest of $78 million, and we have a leveraged liquidity of $570 million. You can see already really crazy numbers. Lower liquidation risk, higher leverage. Perpetual protocol 6.25% maintenance margin, maximum leverage times 10. DYDX maintenance margin 3%, maximum leverage times 20. Maintenance margin for GMX is 1%, which is already has been the lowest. It was very high. Maximum leverage 50x, but Equation even lower than that, 0.25% maintenance margin and a 200x maximum leverage. Crazy. Leverage boosts LP returns. LPs can provide liquidity with leverage and enjoy liquidity mining rewards, plus a share of the trading fees. Based on our novel BRMM model, LPs can significantly improve their capital efficiency by providing liquidity with leverage. Bear launch. EQ is the native token of Equation with a maximum supply of 10 million, 100% of which is generated through position mining, liquidity mining, and referral mining, rewarded to community users. The initial daily emissions of EQU is 10,000. This figure can be adjusted via DAO, but cannot exceed 10,000. So you can already see they also have a DAO in place, so you can get involved with the whole project and make decisions. For the roadmap, we had the testnet in September of 2023. The mainnet and EQU launch, fair launch, was in October of 2023. Position mining has been live since this month, pretty much since November, and DAO is coming in December. Be part of Equation ecosystem. The tokenomics and traditional tokenomics models the complex interests between community users. The founding team and early investors often lead to disagreement and divergent consensus during the operation and governance of the protocol. This greatly hampers the sustainable development of the protocol. Equation adopts an innovative hybrid tokenomics model that combines fungible tokens and non-fungible tokens. This hybrid model establishes exclusive intensive channels for different roles in the ecosystem, aiming to unify the long-term development goals of Equation while safeguarding the interests of liquidity providers and community users. Really cool. They obviously have Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, so if you want to get involved with the project, definitely give them a follow over there. Whole thing is audited also, so you're all safe on that side. And now all you have to do is pretty much click on a trade now, and you will be thrown into the screen. You can also see the price of Equation over here. Go over to Uniswap and trade it. As you just saw there, it had a massive price increase just today, bumped up from $17 to $23, 55% increase. Crazy bump we see there. And yeah, and now we're in the trading protocol. We can simply trade here, select our pair that we want to trade, and go over here. We can short it long, and we have the huge leverage slider here with a leverage up to 200x, which is crazy volume you can create with this. I mean, just by putting in $10 that you're trading it, you would already have a trading volume of $2,000. If you put in $100, you can make the math yourself. You could go pretty nuts with this. I mean, putting in $1,000, you have a volume of $200,000, which is fucking insane. Same for short, long. You can limit order. Everything you need is there to do so. You have your positions, the orders, and your history down here. You have a different chart and dev and funding chart. Really cool. Open interest and everything up here. The different markets here. You have the pools here. You have an earn system for the mining and for the staking. Really cool. So let's also go through a tutorial on zero cost arbitrage for EQU. So pretty much we've taken a look at how it looks pretty much to trade there. Here you see pretty much with our long and short options, and this is a pretty good tutorial on how to generate some good profits and earn pretty much EQU tokens. So you start off by clicking on trade, so you get directed to the screen, and we have, for example, Bitcoin here. You can observe the current price of Bitcoin and open both long and short positions. So you go over here and you put in a long position and a short position, put in your leverage and open the positions. As the transaction fees for opening positions are relatively high, you don't need to open too large positions. Ensure that your margin is sufficient. Now we would see the opened positions. In this case, you can see them here, and you can see the stop loss and take profits trigger prices down here. So set your take profit, TP and stop loss SL prices for both long and short positions. This is crucial. This helps prevent sudden market surges or crashes that could lead to a liquidation of one of your positions. If that were to happen and the market subsequently returns to a normal price, our arbitrage strategy would fail. Hence, it's essential to establish TP and SL points if there's a significant price volatility and both long and short positions are closed simultaneously. Your capital won't incur losses. Key considerations: number one, set your stop loss prices a bit further from the liquidation price. A sudden and drastic market movements may result in stop loss failures, and having a stop loss prices too close to liquidation could lead to forced liquidation. So this means pretty much you need to have a space between your liquidation price and your stop loss price. Otherwise, there could be a market spike where it's so big of a spike that it just shoots over your stop loss pretty much and directly hits the liquidation price, and then the stop loss can't save your position and the liquidation is triggered. So that's very important to keep in mind. Due to the relatively high fees for opening positions, avoid setting your leverage ratio too high. This helps prevent triggering forced liquidation easily. Once liquidated, you won't be able to receive EQU rewards and will need to open positions again. When setting TP and SL prices, make the TP price for long positions slightly lower than the SL price for short positions. Conversely, set the TP price for short positions slightly higher than the stop loss price for long position. This ensures the safety of your capital. Number three, you're pretty much earning. Here you can see all the rewards from the mining that happens while you trade pretty much. To calculate your daily EQU tokens you can earn, look at the formula below. My positions divided by, that's the English word, divided by total positions times daily emissions, your daily EQU earnings. Currently around 1000 U position with 150x leverage, you can earn 10 tokens per day. So at the current price, that's around $220. So really crazy. It's important to note that the currently mined tokens come with a vesting mechanism. There's no vesting, 75% of the tokens will be burned. For instance, holding 1000 U for mining yields 130 U in a day, with 75% being burned, resulting in a final profit of 32 U. Vesting options include 30, 60 and 90 days. Token locked for 90 days can be fully unlocked without any burning at all. Lastly, reminder to everyone, all investments carry risk. Please invest within your risk tolerance, start with small positions and engage in trial and error. Very important to note that. Please do your own research on this, like every project. And yeah, it's a risk investment as well, but this is one of the trading strategies that traders use on EQ or on Equation. You have the total staking rewards that has been paid out so far, which is $47,000, which is also crazy. You have a really cool referral system, so you can get your friends and everything in here, and yeah, pretty much have benefits from this. So you get up to a 10% discount on trading fees and a 1.1 boosted multiplayer for liquidity mining. Really cool. You have the voting over here, the DAO pretty much, that has already been live. It seems like on the website it says it isn't live yet, it's coming in December, but it's live here, so you can get involved with the project itself. Really, really, really cool. We also have a stat checker here for the stats, obviously. And yeah, you can simply go over, trade it at Uniswap itself. Here we have all the stats, the total volume, and everything that we already saw on the website. Yeah, really, really cool, really, really crazy looking project. And I think you can make some very, very huge profits with this one, with trading on this one, with the possibilities that you have. Of course, you have to be a good trader and so on, and do your own research like always, but the option is there definitely. Alright, this was a quick look here at Equation. If you want to check it out yourself, all the links down in the description like always. If you liked the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, activate the bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care guys, bye bye.